my help if I want you tonight.
Salut les amis, welcome to Amouralail show. Today I will show you how to prepare green asparagus. Here I have beautiful green asparagus that I bought on the local farmers market, and I will show you today how to clean them and how to cook them. So you take one small knife and all these little leaves we will take off. Head, you leave it how it is, you don't touch the head. So just these leaves we will take off. So with the tip of the knife you go and you take it off. Gently, doesn't require any force. So once when you get the rhythm, it goes super easy. You don't even think, it just relaxes you. So you take one asparagus, take the peeler, you place it on the board and you just go with the peeler. And you're removing the skin. And on the end, here, you don't cut, you break. Because there is where the soft part and this hard part are connected. So exactly where it will break, it will be there. This we don't throw. You can keep it for a little asparagus soup or a little puree, whatever you want. Once we have all asparagus clean, we will tie them with a string. So you take asparagus and you want to press them like this, upside down, that all heads are on the same level. And if any is out, you press them inside, so they are all together, like this. You take the string, now we will tie them together. So why we tie the asparagus together? Because we want to keep these heads how they are, beautiful. When they're cooking in a big pot of hot water, that they're crossing to each other and that falls apart. So when they are tied like this, you want to cut the ends so they're all the same size. Here I have a big pot of boiling water. Always in boiling water you are putting, when you are cooking the vegetables, you are putting the salt. The best is coarse salt. That will help that that boiling starts even more aggressively. And also what we want whenever we are cooking the vegetables, we want to preserve these lovely colors. So in hot water we are putting them inside. Now we will check them with the knife. Oh, they're perfectly cooked. Here I have cold water with ice. This will help to stop the cooking immediately. And now depends, if you want to serve them immediately, of course you will not put them in cold water. You can put them directly on the plate. If you're cooking it in advance for your guests to come in home, this is the best way to cool it down, and you can put them in the fridge. That's how we are doing actually in the restaurant. And then when guests are coming, you just put them in water, hot water for 1 minute, or even on the pan you can put it a little bit of butter, oil, and give them nice color. Beautiful. Never keep them too long inside. So now I will place them on the paper. Taking this string off. They are really beautiful. So here are the cooked asparagus, and you can serve them however you want. Here I have sauce mousseline, which goes perfect with them. If you don't know how to make sauce mousseline, you can check in my video here. So that's it, guys. Now you know how to clean and cook asparagus. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Merci.